Guys, today I'm gonna bring you on a story which might be one of the biggest stories that will be in crypto for 2024 and maybe 2025. Guys, I'm dead serious. It's about Ripple, and in today's video I'm going to show you a lot of charts which are completely, at least they did with me, gonna completely blow your mind. First of all, guys, I just want to look at XRP against US dollar. I've been looking at this chart already for some time, and actually the moment we broke back into this triangle formation, I personally went long. I also I actually put a very large amount of my portfolio in XRP after this breakout. I shared that also on the channel. I shared that over on Will Alerts. This was for me a very bullish sign, but the thing with XRP regularly, how I generally made a lot of money in the past, was the moment XRP, from something like here, the moment XRP breaks out, it just go in a short amount of time, it goes insane. It can really go insane right here too. This is a very short amount of time where we have huge increases. This also, that we completely retraced this pump, but this is a very big pump in just a 1 week time frame, right? But if you look at this structure, we are right now very zoomed out. We are looking at XRP from its inception, right? Since 2014. If you zoom out, there is a pattern since 2017 that is this triangle formation, and this pattern is right now breaking out. So we have a 7-year, little bit over 7-year consolidation period from a pattern that right now is breaking out. 7 years, guys. Imagine the tension that is locked up in these 7 years. I think this is truly insane, and I think most people will underestimate what this breakout means. This is a very, in my opinion, a very significant breakout. And I also draw this channel right here. I definitely think that XRP can go to the top of this channel, which is, 22 US dollars, depending where we are going to reach it in time. Maybe if we reach it late, it can be 35 US dollars. And I do think, guys, and I'm going to show you with evidence, I think XRP is going to outperform most other altcoins in the next coming weeks and months. So let me start with that, and this will really blow your mind, guys. This is gonna be crazy. So XRP US dollar terms breaking out, right? Normally crazy rallies. Okay, we know that. Let's go. Next one. This is XRP against Ethereum. Look at this chart. This is also since 2018. XRP is in a falling wedge against Ethereum, and of course, bring out the momentum indicators, and we have these bullish divergences. Right? Always the end of a falling wedge is a bullish divergence. This was for me when I saw this like, wow, XRP is breaking out against Ethereum. The target, of course, is the top of the wedge. So if we take that from the levels right now, that would be an increase of roughly 1000%. 1000%. So if Ethereum goes to 10,000 US dollars, which is a 3x from where it is right now, imagine where XRP would be reaching this target. These are insane levels, guys. This is a really insane breakout, but that's not everything. We go to the next chart. This is XRP against Bitcoin. This is also the reason why I bought it. I shared this over on the channel. We touched the support, and for me it's just very simple. We have this support and resistance, and we're just bouncing between support and resistance. That's also what caught my attention on XRP, why I bought this so early, because we touched the support, and I always like these kind of plays, because if we touch the support and eventually we break down, okay, I risk maybe 10-15% of your on the trade, right? I mean, you break down, things get ugly, you just take a loss, right? You take a 15% loss because you are very tied to support. But the potential upside right here is 1600% or 1500%. And guys, this is against Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes to 200,000 US dollars or 150, you name it, imagine the price of XRP. This is really insane. Most people don't understand that this breakout right here that we are seeing in XRP is really significant and might be the story for 2024 and 2025. That's why I put so big portion of my portfolio in this token. actually insane. I'm happy now I did that. I'm really happy with that I did that. We go to the next one, guys. This is XRP against Solana. So what we can see right here is that XRP against Solana is breaking out to the upside. It's breaking out from the relative strength index. It's showing massive bullish divergences on the momentum indicator. This is also looking very bullish. So this tells me already XRP will outperform Solana. XRP will outperform Bitcoin. XRP will outperform Ethereum when looking at these charts. When we have a look at gold, this was interesting, XRP versus gold, because it is also breaking out, but it actually broke already out slightly before that the price broke out. You can see this breakout is a little bit smaller than this one. So here we already saw the breakout earlier. I thought that was interesting. So it's also breaking out in terms of gold. So this is really crazy for me because especially in 2021, I was actually feeling very sad because I know a lot of XRP holders, and I was very sad that this token did not went to a new all-time high during the previous bull market. So I was always like, oh, that must be really hard for that XRP army, for the XRP holders, because they have been waiting this whole bull market. 2021, of course, we went to like, you made some decent money. Like, I mean, 15 cents to 150 is still a 10x, right? So if you bought the bottom and sell the top, you made a 10x. But this is crypto, guys. You would have made a 10x with Bitcoin. Actually, you would have made higher than 10x with Bitcoin. I bought Bitcoin at 3,000 and Bitcoin went to 70,000. That's a 20x with the main token. Right, so that's why I was like, oh, that's really sad for the XRP community, but this makes this even more significant. Guys, I've met so many people that holding XRP, they are not planning to sell. This is a type of person that they are just different. Like, in my opinion, they are kind of a different breed. Often they are very very nice people. They are very good-hearted people. Actually, all my friends who own XRP are one of my sweetest friends, I gotta be honest. And yeah, it's just, and they have such a strong belief in this token. And I'm starting when seeing all these charts, because I'm really a technical analyst and I just like to see these charts, right? I don't have that much understanding about the fundamental of XRP, but when I'm seeing that XRP is breaking out such a long consolidation period, a 7-year consolidation period, it's breaking out against Ethereum, it's breaking out against Bitcoin, it's breaking out against Solana, so it will probably outperform Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Well, then you have definitely my attention. My attention is there. So I'm very happy that we called this one. I hope you guys were able to take advantage of that. Still, we just broke out right now. I still think this is a pretty good risk to reward ratio, right? I mean, the potential upside right here is 2,500%. If we come down, I mean, the potential downside leaving this channel would be a loss of over 50%. So it depends what your risk strategy is. If you do for the long term or for the next year, I think this chart will definitely melt our faces, and I think most people don't realize the importance of this chart breaking out. And we already heard stories. Trump is sitting with the founder of Ripple. A lot of things happening. I think they want to remove capital gain tax for Bitcoin and Ripple. A lot of central banks or banks are working together with Ripple. Ripple has now a lot of things going for him, and because of this breakout, this might just be the unleash of that crazy move that we are going to see. Also, when we have a look at the CoinMarketCap website, we scroll down, we can see XRP is number 6, and it has a market cap of 60 billion. Okay. If you look at Bitcoin, it has a market cap of 1.8 trillion. Ethereum, 380 million. I think Ripple, looking at that chart against Ethereum, Ripple can easily flip Ethereum this cycle. Maybe becoming the second spot below Bitcoin. Yeah, I know, guys, this sounds really crazy, but this is also really crazy what's happening. How often do you see something like this, a token break, like a token breaking out from a 7-year structure, don't even reach all-time highs the previous time. The whole narrative is lining up. Gary Gensler probably will resign. This was the problem that we couldn't broke out the last bull market because of the regulations, the lawsuits, you name it. But the narrative right now is lining up. We have the narrative, we have the chart backing up, we have the Ethereum chart, Bitcoin chart, and Solana chart all backing that up. I see a lot of potential growth for XRP, and I'm very, very bullish. Although even a couple of months ago, I was not even looking at this chart. But this really grabs my attention. Okay, guys, that's just going to be my complete Ripple analysis right here. I think there's a lot of potential upside. Of course, be careful. Always do your own due diligence. Also listen, and this is also very important, listen to your gut feeling. If it feels good for you, then sure, go along with it. If it doesn't feel good, you're doubting, maybe don't do it. Right? I think your gut feeling in trading is also very important. And this is also me. My gut feeling brought me often to these moments. My gut feeling often gave me the feeling like, okay, now you have to invest big in this token. You have to invest big in this token. And often I've been right on these gut feelings. And I said it in yesterday's video as well. We have been doing so many calls, like Apex we bought at 26 cents, made 1300% move. PT we shared all these things we shared over on Will Alerts. We bought Sui at 65 cents, went to over $3. We took a little bit profits earlier, but nevertheless, so we have a very good track record of calls. Of course, not every call is doing as good as the ones that I just mentioned, but these are just some examples of some pretty good calls that are lining up pretty good. Sui was also lining up pretty good, like in this channel, bouncing at support, very nice risk to reward ratio. I just poured in a lot of money right here, and then Sui became my biggest altcoin holding. I took profits at the red box, and a lot of these profits I actually put into Ripple, which is accumulating, right? So you make, you make like a 3x on your portfolio, and then that 3x you put in a different token, and that different token does a 2x, or maybe also does a 3 or 4x. That really adds up in the long run. So yeah, guys, this is also something that I'm sharing. So I have this YouTube channel, of course. I also have a private Telegram channel where I'm sharing all these things. I also shared some new altcoins that I'm buying today. I will share that on the YouTube channel later in the week, because the thing is, it's easier for me to share this quickly on the Telegram channel. I don't have to create a whole video, but the Telegram channel is for free, but you gotta have an account created with one of the affiliate links down below in this video description. So you can pick the one that you want. Like Bybit, I would recommend the most. Bybit is just the best exchange out there. If you want to use a different exchange, that's also fine, but you got to sign up, deposit a minimum of $100 and open your first trade. Then you can submit your user ID right here. We will check from our side whether you meet the requirements. If yes, then we will put you in that private Telegram group. If you have any questions about that, you can always send an email to the blockchaintoday@gmail.com. But yeah, I would definitely recommend every single one to do that, to have a look at that. But yeah, let me also know, guys, what you think about XRP. Very curious about it. Are you also that bullish as I am, or are you more bearish? Or just let me know in the comment section down below. And then I want to thank you all for watching, and I wish you a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.